What is pushrod travel or brake stroke, and why do we measure it? Brake stroke is the amount of distance that the pushrod travels when the brakes are applied. It's important because brake chambers have a limited amount of distance that their pushrod can travel before the brakes in that location are no longer effective. We measure it by first sending air down the emergency or red glad hand to release the brakes. There's two different methods, and I'm going to show you both of them. The first method is once the brakes are fully released, you get a piece of material. It could be an old credit card, a gift card. This is just a piece of metal I found on the ground under the chassis. You put it against a brake chamber bracket and you slide it down to the push rod and make your initial mark. The second method is to make your initial measurement with the brakes released from the brake chamber to the center of the clevis pin. We have 7 1/8 inches. I'm going to write that down. 7 1/8. Now we're going to apply the brakes by sending air down the service or blue glad hand. With the brakes applied, slide your piece of material back down the brake chamber bracket and make your second mark. And the second method, to measure from the brake chamber again to the center of the pin. We have 8 1/4. So 8 1/4. The difference is 1 1/8 inches. So it would be 1 1/8 inches of brake stroke. And the first method, you would measure in between the two marks that you made, which is 1 1/8. Both of them match. 1 1/8. Those are the two methods for getting an accurate brake stroke measurement.